The US power couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé have begun a 22-day plant-based diet. Posting on his Life and Times blog, Jay-Z revealed that he has been eating a meat-free breakfast every day for the last few months after being challenged by a vegan friend. Claiming that it takes 22 days to make or break a habit, the rapper has vowed, "On December 3rd, one day before my 44th birthday, I will embark on a 22-day challenge to go completely vegan, or as I prefer to call it, plant-based." Jay-Z also revealed on the blog that he's been joined in the challenge by Beyoncé, who posted a sample of her meals on Instagram, showing a sumptuous spread of vegan food. The diet appears to be working for the 32-year-old, as recent photographs from her family vacation show. The mother of one showed her enviable figure as she relaxed in the Jamaican sun with her sister Solange. Eating their greens is working out for this couple.